TGIF, happy Friday, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Now, I always say in all of my videos that I can never make any promises, but if you have something specific that you're looking for, you can leave it in the comments. And today's video comes from a comment I got, I think 2 days ago. Somebody was looking for a dedicated video with just part-time jobs. A lot of times when I share part-time jobs, I'll have a mixture of some part-time, some full-time. I used to do themed videos, but then I kind of mixed it up and tried to throw a little bit of something in every video for kind of like everyone, a mixed bag. But today we are back with a fully part-time video. So all the jobs in today's video will be part-time remote work from home jobs. Now, please note, I know most people that are wanting part-time jobs are looking specifically for something that has flexible hours or more of a work when you want to, so you can work around other jobs, families, kids, responsibilities. But some of these jobs that I'm sharing today do have multiple shifts they're hiring for. They have some evening and night and later shifts, so maybe something will work for you. As always, if you need to put applications in, links to all the pages I'm sharing, timestamps, any additional information you may need is always in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. But diving right on in, first up we have the company Rent the Runway. If you don't know, it's like a clothing rental. I've seen it on advertised like on websites and things. It is a company or a website that you can actually go pick out like higher end clothing pieces, and you can rent them for special events and then return them without having to spend a lot of money to buy like upscale pieces. Like maybe you have a banquet that you're going to that you need a fancy dress for, but you don't want to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars buying a fancy dress. You can rent one, wear it for the night, and then return it. They have 535 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a part-time customer experience associate. Now, real quickly, please note that they do have state restrictions. Rent the Runway is only hiring currently in Massachusetts, Colorado, Oregon, Texas, Illinois, Arizona, Florida, Virginia, Tennessee, and Kansas. But if you're in one of those states, they are hiring for multiple shifts. They have a 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., a 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., a 2 to 6, a 4 to 8, and then they even have like a Saturday option, like a Wednesday through Saturday. They have a 2 to 7 or a 1 to 6. So they have multiple shifts available. All of those time zones are in the Eastern Standard Time Zone, but you do have to be able to attend their virtual training. It will take place 4 weeks, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on starting October 27th. Pay for this position is $16 an hour in most states, $14.50 in Tennessee and Kansas. But they are looking for somebody to do basic customer support. You're going to answer all of those communication channels, phone, email, live chat, social media, and just answer the customer questions, being the brand ambassador, upholding core values while being on the fashion trends. You're going to stay informed on all of the Rent the Runway's products, fit, styles, inventory, so that you can really assist the customers in finding the perfect pieces and perfect look for their individual style. So this is kind of like a fashionista position. Ooh, can't speak today. They are looking for somebody who has 2 years of customer service experience, somebody who is passionate about creating positive customer experiences, somebody who can be a multitasker and a problem solver. Now, next up, if you really have a passion for helping people, this next one might be just for you. The company is Aira. I think I'm saying that right. It's A-I-R-A. They have 69 reviews with an overall rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a part-time remote visual interpreter. So as a visual interpreter, you're really going to be helping people that have disabilities. You're going to be answering live video calls from blind or low vision customers and assisting them and helping them with real world tasks. So you'll do this by clearly and accurately presenting on-demand visual information to them, answering the calls when scheduled, and just being a composed professional demeanor, really just trying to help these blind people or low vision people navigate around. You're going to be guiding them since this will be on video calls, but just know that you will be on video. You're going to be making quality decisions, helping improve the productivity and efficiency, just drawing on experience of potential problems before they arise. So you kind of got to see what's coming, be a problem solver. Now, as far as what they're looking for, somebody who has a high school diploma or GED, at least 18 years or older, somebody who is fluent in English, and they only hire currently in a few states. Those states are listed right here. Other than that, you've got to be able to work at least 25 hours a week. If you have a willingness to work weekend hours, that is a bonus because they're really looking for somebody to work weekends. They are looking for somebody who has a background in customer service, somebody who has experience working with people in disabilities, and of course, somebody who has a strong attention to detail and a great sense of direction. Now, pay for this one is based on kind of the shift that you'll be working. Base pay is $20 an hour, and that's for a 4 a.m. to 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time shift. You get a $1 swing if you work like the 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. shift. And nights, you get a $2 swing, so it'd be $20 plus the extra $2, so it'd be $22 an hour for the 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. shift. And of course, weekends pay an extra $3 an hour. Next up, we have the company Planned Systems International. They have 131 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a quality review agent. Now, this is remote for the United States. This is a part-time position, but it is a short-term seasonal position. And you can live anywhere in the United States. You just have to be a citizen of the United States. They do not have any state restrictions, but they are really looking for somebody to monitor calls for quality against prescribed scripts and accurate forms of information. So you are basically going to be listening and monitoring those customer service calls. You are not doing the customer service call yourself, and you're going to be provided scripts of kind of what the customer service people should be saying, what information they should be given, and then you're given grading forms, and so you are kind of monitoring these, looking at the scripts and the grading forms, and making your feedback on did the customer service agent provide the correct service, responded quickly, worked in a fast-paced environment, in that high call volume, under stress, made sure that they did everything correctly. So you're managing the quality reviews of each call monitored, providing detailed records of all the calls and feedback to the customer service representatives. Now, one thing to note, it does say that you will have to identify and resolve customer issues accurately and efficiently. So I don't know if they need to escalate a call up because they can't handle it, if you'll be the one to kind of help with that. But they are only looking for somebody who has 1 year of customer service experience. You've got to be proficient in speaking English, great communication skills, be a problem solver, and of course, be proficient with using computers, multitasking, specifically switching between different software programs. This does require a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree. And sadly, pay was not listed for this one. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. And next up, we have Ashland University hiring. Ashland University has 128 reviews, an overall rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a part-time student employment and loan specialist. This is specifically for their financial aid division. So you are going to just assist students and parents through the basic financial aid process, making sure that you follow all the federal and state laws, regulations, and guidelines, determining the type and amounts of student loans that need to be awarded to the student, making sure all their paperwork is packaged up so that it can be processed. So you're just utilizing reporting tools for those federal loans or like the Parent Plus loans, evaluating the loan records, identifying where any information is needed, any missing information. So you're reviewing and processing the student work authorization forms so that they can work on campus, just assisting with any paperwork needed. This requires a high school diploma, and at least 1 to 2 years of some kind of office or administrative experience. Of course, you've got to be a great problem solver and know your way around a computer using different software systems. And you've got to have skills in research and analysis. You've got to know kind of how to find information if you are stuck. It looks like they're looking for somebody to work 24 hours a week starting on September 30th. So they are really looking to hire pretty quickly. And sadly, again, no pay was listed for this one. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family. And of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.